Hello, I'm going to, in this video, show you how to access an assessment in Student View. So for starts, when you first open up your Chromebook, this is a page, a landing page that often shows up. So you're going to go to Student View. And then here you are going to type your student ID. And give me 1 second to do that. And your password. And log into your student view. All right, I'm pretending to be Isis, you caught me. But over here on the far left, we have Synergy Mail, Calendar, and Assessment, and you can see the little one little message here under Assessment, meaning that she has an assessment ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and click on that. And then here is the assessment. So this is the test that's available, so go ahead and click there. And it will take a moment to load. So if you're on this blue screen a minute, don't worry, it'll load. And then you can start the assessment by clicking on the green start arrow. So good luck on your tests, and hopefully this helps you to get started quickly. All right, talk to you later.